Motor function. If there is a DF8 RIT or a DF4 RI module in the modules list, follow this procedure to set a motor control. Click on the pointer on the right of the module that you want to set. Press the settings icon on the right of the output that you want to set. Press the settings icon. The list of the available options will appear. In this case, only the engine function. By pressing on motor, the input points will appear. While choosing the point of access which will control the output that we are setting, press the acquiring icon in the bottom right corner of the toolbar. The writing Activate Input will appear at the center of the screen. Press the button of the output that you want to set. The selected input will turn white. Select the line of the chosen point without pressing, for the moment, the pointer in the right part of this line. If we want, we can type a name in the ID input box in order to identify this point of control. By pressing the pointer in the right part of the line, the type of action will appear. Open, close, open prio, close prio, stop, go to. Select the action that you want to associate with, for example, open. Repeat the same procedures for other controls. For example, it is possible to choose the action close for another input. Once the function of the input point has been chosen, this will move up to the beginning of the list and will turn gray, in order to indicate that it has been used. The icon associated with the type of the selected action will be shown. Press the equations icon and, if necessary, repeat the same procedure for other controls. At the end of the equations page, proceed to the programming of the module by clicking on the programming icon. The Start and Stop buttons will appear. Press Start and wait for the completion of the operation, which will take a few seconds.